Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I am not their employee, and therefore, all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss with you, they are of my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. We will be strictly discussing the price action and ignore all the fundamentals here in this webinar. As a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll not talk about anything else but only price. For price action, we will be using the candlestick type of charts to find out the key levels for all the pairs that we see. And we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading. Before I start, let me take you through the risk disclaimer. On your screen is the standard risk disclaimer. And these are the charts. The first things first, this is the US dollar index. This is the daily chart of the US dollar index, as you can see from here. Now, US dollar index is in a downtrend. As of now, it is making lower highs and lower lows. And I think now this is in the process of making a lower high and then lower low is possible in this market. So if you are also thinking like me, then you should be looking for a selling opportunity with a target lower. So let's see how the things unfold. On the downside, we have support at 103.62. On the higher side, we have resistance. This is the first resistance actually, 105.33, and later on 105.61. These are the two resistances on the way up. What about the pound? The pound saw a breakout today to the upside. But I think that is not sustaining above this trend line. So it is coming back to 713. 1.2713 is where it is trading right now. If it trades and trades below 1.2709, then I'll be looking for the prices of 1.2634 in this market. These are the support and resistance levels. Euro dollar, there is a breakout from this falling, not falling, but from this fair value gap, and now price is trying to trade on the other side of that. 1.0812 is the support. We have to be cautious here. This may be a liquidity grab and walk to the downside. This is possible. So where is the resistance now? 1.0885 is the resistance, support being around 1.0812. Australian dollar also has traded below the crucial support level, and now the next level of support for this is 0.6558. The resistance may be observed now, saying that okay, this price level is very important. Yes. All right, so this is the price. Now the resistance may be seen around 0.6644 and the support is around 0.6558. New Zealand, this is a bearish pin bar on the daily chart. That means we can see 0.5981 on the downside. And if the price starts reversing from this fair value gap or from this previous high, then this 0.6218 is what I'll be looking for. But I'll be looking for that only if the price trades above this bearish pin bar. The price went higher, but it could not sustain there. You see, after taking the liquidity from here, it was sold off, and the price is now going towards this fair value gap, which I think it will penetrate through and go to the downside. So for me, support is 0.5981. The resistance may be seen around this recent high that the price has made. USD CHF, we are quite bearish on the USD CHF because it broke the rising trend line, and after the trend line break, this is the first retest that the price is trying to achieve. And if it fails to go higher from here, then there is higher probability that the price will drop, and it will drop up to 0.8838. Why? Because this liquidity is already taken. Now that this is the next liquidity grab possible, so keep an eye on this one. USD CAD, a very nice price action here, only up and up, and you see. But if you switch to daily, then you will realize that the current candle has seen the higher price than the previous these three candles, but is not able to sustain higher. So the next resistance is 1.3785 and the support is 1.3632. USD JPY also in the similar fashion is trying to gauge higher markets. Now if I switch it to daily, you will see that the daily bias is bearish here on the basis of this price action, whereas if it trades above this, then this high, the previous high, will be exposed as the target 160.20. New Zealand CAD green price action found the resistance close below, so the next possible target is 0.8248, which is the support, and the resistance is 0.8373 area. Bitcoin breakout, it is I think now trying to retest this level of 67,287, above which it will be testing 72,777. Brent crude, we can expect lower prices in this one because the daily is low, whereas on intraday I think I bought it and then I traded basically counter. Gold, resistance, took the liquidity, trying to push higher, sorry, lower. All right, here I can see that the price tried to remain in this channel, but I think today or tomorrow the price will break through, and 2332 is the crucial level. If that breaks, then I will be seller in this gold. Japanese index is not able to sustain the prices at the higher levels, so that needs a careful investigation why the price is not able to hold there. But I think it will break through, and the price will even break through 37,963 with the target of 36,693. This is Nikkei. Euro yen, very clean price action to the upside. The resistance is 171.61 and the support is 162.727. Pound OD, something happened, double bottom. The price zoom, okay, it broke first, then it retested it as the fresh support, and then boom. So the next level of resistance is 1.9313. The support may be seen around 1.9116. CHF GPY, on the longer run we are bearish on this one, and with the first target of 169.56, and then the second level of support is 167.30. For some reason, if the price starts rising from here, then it should find resistance at 175.02. Or in New Zealand, we are sellers in this one. We have already mentioned it. Any trade below 1.0857 will open the way to 1.0570. Now this is just a wait and watch. The price may reverse from here, but if it trades below 1.0857, then zoom 1.070570. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that question. Today it is a very short thing because there is nothing much to discuss, but tomorrow I will bring more on your plate and we can have a longer discussion, like 1 hour or so. Please come with your questions and let me know if you have any, or any of your doubts which is technical in nature, not fundamental. With this, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, do not risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. How you can achieve this? You can achieve this with the adjusting the position size, and adjust it in such a manner that even if it gets hit, even if your stop loss gets hit, then your loss is not more than 1%. Okay, this is very easy if you have structured risk management, and you know that every trade of yours is going to lose you 1% if you are wrong, and going to earn more than 3% if you are right. So why not to continue it for a long time and look at the result? So have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribe to the channel for more such webinars. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.